Welcome back to Tap Tech, where we dive deep into the world of premium gear and uncover what's next. Today, we're teasing what could be the most exciting full-frame camera launch of the year, the anticipated Sony A9 IV. If you're a serious pro photographer, a high-end creator, or just someone who demands the very best, you'll want to stick around because we're going to explore every rumor, every possibility, and every reason this one might be a game-changer. Don't blink, because we're about to take you through what may well be Sony's next flagship. Imagine a camera that delivers sports-level speed, wildlife-level precision, and hybrid video workflow flexibility in one body. That's exactly the promise the A9 series has carried since the original Sony A9 in 2017 and the current model. Sony A9 III upped the ante with global shutter, ultra-fast continuous shooting, advanced autofocus, prolific burst capacity, and pro workflow features like dual card slots and robust connectivity. Now, with the A9 IV, rumors suggest Sony is poised to raise the ceiling once more. While nothing is officially confirmed yet, trusted sources have hinted at major sensor upgrades, even faster readout speeds, further refined AF tracking, improved video capabilities, and pro-grade ergonomics and connectivity. For those working at the top of their craft, these upgrades matter, and they matter a lot. So what could the A9 IV bring to the table? Here's a breakdown of the potential feature set, and why each one matters if you operate in those premium markets. The current A9 III already boasts a full-frame sensor with global shutter and 120 FPS bursts at full resolution. With the A9 IV, we expect Sony to push the sensor architecture further, perhaps higher resolution, even faster data readout, lower rolling shutter, or ideally none, and improved dynamic range. For sports, wildlife, events, or high-end commercial work, this means you can freeze action with unmatched clarity, track subjects with greater accuracy, avoid distortion, and exploit full-frame lenses with confidence. Sony has long led with autofocus features, real-time IAF, subject tracking, wide coverage AF points. The A9 IV is expected to refine this even more. That means better subject detection, humans, animals, vehicles, faster AF response, smarter prediction, and more reliable focus even in low light. For the professional shooter, that translates into fewer missed moments, sharper picks, less worry about focus failures, burst speed, buffer depth, shutter stability. These are critical for action work. The A9 series has always been designed for such demands. The A9 IV will likely increase the shoot-through buffer, improve writing speeds to the cards, and possibly maintain or even elevate the 120 FPS benchmark. For your jobs, that means you can shoot sequences, follow subjects, and still walk away with usable files. Though the A9 line is photocentric, today's top professionals need hybrid capability. Expectations for the A9 IV include upgraded video specs, perhaps 6K or even 8K, better frame rate flexibility, full frame readout, cinematic upside, plus robust codecs and external connectivity. If you're working commercial, corporate, or high-end content, that kind of video capability keeps you competitive. Top-tier users expect more than just image quality. They expect weather sealing, robust build, advanced connectivity, wired network, FTP, tethering, dual or CF Express card slots, grip options, and workflow features. The A9 IV will likely check all those boxes, making it a body you can rely on in the field, in extreme conditions, and as part of a professional kit. If you are shooting weddings, sports, wildlife, commercial editorial, high-end advertising, or large-scale content production, then gear matters. The difference between a good photo and an unforgettable image can be framed by gear that doesn't let you down. The A9 IV is positioned to serve the top echelon of creators in premium countries markets, USA, Western Europe, parts of Asia, Middle East, etc. That means the expectations are higher. Reliability, speed, future-proofing, service, lens ecosystem. Sony's E-mount already offers a vast lens ecosystem, and having a body at this level lets you exploit pro glass and pro workflows fully. Now, a little caution. Because the A9 IV hasn't been officially announced yet, some of the details are conjecture. But history gives us strong clues. Sony released the original A9 with stacked sensor technology, blackout-free shooting in 20 FPS in 2017. Then they progressed to the A9 IV, introducing global shutter onto 20 FPS bursts and top-tier AF. From that progression, we can reasonably infer the A9 IV will represent another meaningful step forward. That said, if you're considering waiting for the A9 IV, here are a few tips. Lens investment matters. Make sure your lenses can keep up with the body. High-end glass often makes more difference than the camera body itself. Workflow readiness. With higher frame rates, larger files, faster burst rates means you need storage, backup card slots, fast editing system. Don't bottleneck the body with slow cards or weak system. Budget wisely. Premium bodies cost premium money. Ensure your return on investment, ROI, makes sense. Jobs, projects, clients that appreciate top-tier gear. Consider your use case. If you shoot casual or modest rates, maybe the previous body is still excellent. But if you're pro or want pro-level headroom, waiting may be worthwhile. Firmware updates, lens compatibility, sensor quirks, readout behavior. High-speed bodies sometimes bring quirks. So being patient and reading early reviews is smart. Let's zoom out and talk about what this means for the industry and for you as a creator. The A9 IV will help push what mirrorless professional gear can do. It raises expectations for speed, autofocus, workflow. For brands, especially in premium markets, this pushes competition and lets you capture more, deliver faster, exploit new creative possibilities. For you, the creator, the professional, the tech-savvy shooter in the US or Europe or Asia-Pacific or Middle East, this is about staying ahead. Clients expect sharper, faster, more creative. Deliver. With a camera like the A9 IV, you get a tool sized for those expectations. It isn't just about resolution or megapixels anymore. It's about reliability under pressure, automation in focus tracking, seamless workflow, and flexibility to capture both stills and motion. So what should you do right now? First, evaluate your current gear. Are you using something like the A9 III already? Does the upgrade make sense? If you're still on older gear, say A7 series or earlier, this could be your chance to step up. Second, keep an eye on announcements. Sony generally unveils major bodies at big annual events. Third, start lining up your workflow. Fast cards, backup plans, lenses, support gear. If the body arrives and you're ready, you hit the ground running. To wrap up, if the Sony A9 IV becomes reality as expected, we're looking at a flagship camera that serves the elite tier of creator, high-speed sports, wildlife, commercial, hybrid video still workflows in premium markets. It's tailored for users who demand nothing but the best and are willing to invest for it. Thanks for watching this deep dive on what could be the next big thing from Sony. If you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to like the video, subscribe to TapTech, and hit that bell so you don't miss our full review when the A9 IV gets officially announced. Drop a comment below with what feature you'd most want to see in this camera. Frame rate, autofocus, video capability, sensor resolution. And we'll check back as leaks and official info roll in. Until next time, this is TapTech, where we explore tomorrow's gear today. Keep shooting, stay creative, and I'll catch you in the next one.